Do you feel drained and exhausted, no matter how much you sleep or rest? Are you constantly asking yourself, why am I so tired all the time? If this sounds like you, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with chronic fatigue. But the good news is, you don't have to stay stuck in this cycle. In this video, we'll uncover the surprising reasons behind your tiredness and, more importantly, share practical solutions to help you feel energized, focused, and ready to take on the world. Let's get started.
Let's start by understanding why you feel tired all the time. Fatigue isn't just about lack of sleep. It can stem from a variety of physical, emotional, and even environmental factors. Common culprits include nutrient deficiencies, poor sleep quality, high stress levels, dehydration, and even hidden health conditions like anemia or thyroid imbalances. If you've been ignoring the signs, it's time to pay attention. Your body is sending you a message, and understanding it is the first step toward reclaiming your energy. One of the most overlooked causes of fatigue is poor sleep hygiene. It's not just about how many hours you sleep, but how well you sleep. Here's what you can do. Create a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light from your devices can disrupt your melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. And don't forget to create a calming bedtime routine. Whether it's reading, meditating, or listening to soothing music, winding down is essential for quality rest. What you eat directly impacts your energy levels. If you're running on caffeine and processed foods, it's no wonder you're feeling sluggish. To fix this, focus on fueling your body with whole, nutrient-rich foods. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet. Don't skip meals, especially breakfast, as it sets the tone for your energy levels throughout the day. And of course, stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, so aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Stress is another major energy zapper. When you're constantly in fight or flight mode, your body is burning through its energy reserves. The solution? Find ways to manage your stress levels. Practice mindfulness through meditation or deep breathing exercises. Take regular breaks throughout your day to reset and recharge. And don't underestimate the power of physical activity. Even a short walk outside can work wonders for your mental clarity and overall energy. If you've tried everything and still feel exhausted, it's important to rule out any underlying health issues. Chronic fatigue can be a symptom of conditions like anemia, diabetes, sleep apnea, or thyroid disorders. Schedule a visit with your healthcare provider and discuss your symptoms. A simple blood test might reveal the root cause of your tiredness, allowing you to take the right steps toward recovery.
Feeling tired all the time doesn't have to be your reality. By improving your sleep, fueling your body, managing stress, and addressing potential health issues, you can take back control of your energy and your life. Remember, small changes lead to big results. So start today. Your energized, vibrant self is waiting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your best life. And be sure to check out our other videos. You'll find plenty of inspiration and practical advice to keep you feeling your best. See you in the next video.